Belisarius, the Sword of Rome. In the year of our Lord 527, Emperor Justinian ascended to the throne of the Roman Empire, determined to restore the glory of Rome that had waned in the face of barbarian invasions and internal strife. To achieve this monumental task, he turned to his most trusted general, Flavius Belisarius, a man of unparalleled skill, courage, and loyalty. With the might of the Roman legions at his command, Belisarius embarked on a series of campaigns that would reshape the map of Europe and Africa. His first target was the Vandal kingdom in North Africa, a rich province that had long eluded Roman control. Procopius, a historian and contemporary of Belisarius, chronicled these campaigns with vivid detail. Under the cloak of night, Belisarius's fleet set sail from Constantinople, the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire. As they approached the shores of Africa, the anticipation among the soldiers was palpable. They knew that they fought not only for the glory of Rome, but also for the wealth and prestige that awaited them in the Vandal capital of Carthage. The Vandal king, Gelimer, underestimated the resolve of Belisarius and his men. Despite being outnumbered, Belisarius employed brilliant tactics and strategic maneuvering to outwit his foes. The Battle of Ad Decimum was a turning point in the campaign, where Belisarius's cavalry charge shattered the Vandal lines, sending Gelimer's forces into disarray. Carthage fell swiftly to the Roman onslaught, and Gelimer retreated to the fortified city of Bulla Regia. But even there, he could not escape the relentless pursuit of Belisarius. In the climactic battle of Tricamarum, the Vandal king's fate was sealed as Roman forces breached the city walls and captured him alive. The fall of Carthage sent shockwaves throughout the Mediterranean world. The Vandals, once feared as the scourge of Rome, were now humbled before the might of Belisarius and the legions. With North Africa firmly under Roman control, Belisarius turned his gaze towards the heart of the Western Roman Empire, Italy. Italy, once the jewel of the Roman Empire, had fallen into chaos and disarray following the collapse of Roman authority. The Ostrogothic kingdom, under the rule of King Theodoric, had established itself as the dominant power in the region. But Justinian saw an opportunity to reclaim the lost territories and dispatched Belisarius to Italy with a formidable force. The siege of Rome was a defining moment in Belisarius's campaign. The Eternal City, once the center of the known world, stood as a symbol of resistance against the might of the Roman legions. But Belisarius was undeterred. Through a combination of siegecraft, diplomacy, and sheer determination, he succeeded in breaching the walls of Rome and restoring the city to Roman control. Theodoric's kingdom crumbled in the face of Belisarius's advance, and soon all of Italy was once again under Roman rule. The Gothic Wars, as they came to be known, were a testament to Belisarius's military genius and the resilience of the Roman spirit. But Belisarius was more than just a skilled tactician and general. He was also known for his compassion and mercy towards his defeated foes. Unlike many conquerors of his time, Belisarius sought to win the hearts and minds of the people he conquered, offering clemency to those who surrendered and restoring order to the war-torn lands. As the sun set on the 6th century AD, the Roman Empire stood stronger than it had in centuries, thanks in no small part to the efforts of Flavius Belisarius. His campaigns had restored lost territories, brought prosperity to the empire, and ensured that the legacy of Rome would endure for generations to come.